Hey guys, welcome back to Bit Wizards. I'm still not your normal host. I am not the Bit Wizard.
What's up, guys? Def.
In case I forgot to introduce myself probably last time, I am that Spanish guy. Let's leave it at that.
AKA Snake.
But anyway, where we left off, we just left Ratchet's homeworld and we're gonna explore this new planet, because I've never been here, obviously. Anyway.
You have.
They don't need to know that.
Hi there, Buzzball.
I don't have enough. God, later. Anyway, so we're gonna take this little cool floating elevator thing.
How did that even pop? You know it. I'm not even gonna start.
No, go ahead and start. Oh my god. You're shooting at me. You're shooting at me. You're shooting at me. Anyway. What else we got? We got some more cranes. Fever dust? What goes? I don't know.
Like, I remember this one. It's actually a game. It's a basic game. If you actually died, you couldn't finish it. See, I like games like that. You know, it would defeat every day shouldn't be like that because it would defeat the purpose. But,
Yeah, it would.
but some games need to be like that. It takes away the fun. Ratchet and Clank, yo, I don't actually gonna win sooner or later.
Yeah, because there's
You
no
die
system.
too many times, you still win sooner or later.
Yeah, no. But don't worry, folks, we will make you think all that kind of stuff. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and die. I'm at least make it comical. I'm going to die where you least expect it.
Like jumping that leap.
Maybe. I just don't know if I feel like it right now. We'll see.
The house is looking cool though, like,
Who lives here? I don't know here.
I've been hanging out here.
This is like the... This is, this is the ghetto of this planet. I guarantee you.
That doesn't make sense.
No,
They got bodyguards for their house.
No, those aren't bodyguards.
They are.
Those are the citizens that live in these houses, and they said, "I'm gonna bust a cabin somewhere."
It's just like this.
I mean, look at this shit. This is obviously the ghetto. Otherwise, there wouldn't be this much destruction.
And if they really wanted to stop you, they could have just took out the whole bridge.
Hey.
That could have been the end of the game.
Who am I to deny them being guys? You know, what if it's good that they're being nice right now? Shoot.
Like, I mean, when he was telling me about how he gonna make him a character, you know, like, basically, like, fight games, you feel like people that actually fight randomly, like, let me give you, what's his name, Fox from,
Oh, that? The doctor nigga?
yeah, that dude with a bag on his head. He's pretty random, right?
He really is.
Okay.
There's no
He's
reason
gonna
for
make
his
Joe Bell's
existence.
character always random. At all the times, like, this ain't like you do square, it do uppercut. The next time you do square, it might do uppercut. Next time you do square, it might not do.
That's worse than random. That shouldn't happen.
It's horrible. I told you gotta do it because he said, if you mess your character up. I was like, oh man.
Mercenaries,
My dude is supposed to be like
torturers, assassins. I'll tell you
like
what
a body.
Here, take my info.
Well, I get more.
It's all I need to know.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on, let's see what he's got.
Hey, it's that court guy.
Has this ever happened to you?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian Snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadget since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. And Al can't fix it if it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, Al. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime. Come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs.
I had, this
Al's
is before
Robo Shack.
I'm interrupting the whole story
Fantastic.
to make sure you know that I didn't do
You
this.
know what this means.
Yeah, Captain Quark is really
Before I
sold
even knew
out.
how to
It
drive
means
a
Captain Quark is
I
on
drove
Metropolis.
to
We could tell him about this invasion.
in the back of like
Shit.
the movies or something.
Shit.
And my mama's car,
You're not going to
I had
torture
sex
me?
with her.
Well,
in my
as
mama's car.
planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Now they go. No, we didn't go to watch the. Apparently, we didn't go to watch the movie.
Thank you, your
I just
chairman.
spent like
Chipliness.
$10 a gas.
Gagatron
Wow.
will give you
Take it to
coordinates to
like
your friends.
Regal.
You can press the select button to bring
So I guess you put it back in my mama's car. Then take it home.
Stop.
What?
Apparently I did. I don't remember ever doing it, but hey, who knows? Yeah, I sure know.
I'm just walking to the ship. I just don't know where you get on your story.
Now what was I saying? Let me go back to the cool story about my character in Marvel's game. Okay, I named my dude. I forgot what I named my dude. I'm gonna go look at it. It was a long time ago when I actually named it. But I know my item. I call it the Gamma Hammer. It's a giant hammer, and I go around and I smack people, and it can turn into a fife. And apparently I can control metal too. Yeah, it's called a Gamma. I named it the Gamma Hammer. I named my person a weird name, that's why.
Okay. Anyway, so before we leave this planet, we're going to do the second half of this level. Because the one thing I actually like about most Ratchet and Clank games, I haven't actually been able to put all of them quite yet, but what I love is that each planet essentially has two missions that you have to do in the background. The first half is usually the immediate story mission. The second half is usually something that you have to do to get an item that you need for a later mission.
Sounds legit.
Yeah. The only problem is the game doesn't immediately tell you, so it's kind of a noob trap. So you just have to assume that there's always something else to do over there.
I love adventure type games. And my favorite type of games are games like, man, like it's an adventure game that also tries to kill you. Like, legitimately tries to kill you. And it's a cool game. It has a cool game.
I remember, man, okay, I never played it, but I keep hearing, like, everyone's trying to ban it because of how violent it is. It's a violent video game.
Oh, it's violent. Oh, it's violent. It's a cool one, man. People be like hating on it, like violent games. I'm like, the game should always be like butterflies and like unicorns and all that other stuff. You feel me?
Yeah.
I was like, dude, that's why I'm like, I feel like a game like Call of Duty should have more blood. Like, how do you shoot somebody and like $10,000 come out their pocket? What is that? Like, I know these niggas are rich, but God,
They bleed money. Oh god, I would love to bleed.
that was in like Modern Warfare 2. I forgot what they do now. I think actually no, in Black Ops 2 they also bleed money.
Okay, anyway, I would love to bleed money. Because that means I would never have to find a job. All I have to do
But
is
you have to die. I mean, you respawn them, so I guess it works out.
Okay, maybe I would have to die because apparently when you die, you just bleed out a lot of money. But let's say I just want to pay like some rent or whatever. I'll just, get a little deal or whatever. Just donate some blood and go back and steal it later.
Blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports.
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why are you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing, shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Oh, thank God I actually have enough to buy this piece of crap.
More than enough.
Geronimo!
No, what the fuck?
Slide down a sewer pipe?
Lady,
I
this
don't
is the
remember that.
solution radical. They seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display.
Oh my God.
That was close.
I love this game. It just has the right stuff to do.
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long.
Kid, let's hamstring.
Wow, the best driver's test ever.
Did you see that guy on the left? Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it.
basically,
He's a
he just
pro
ain't got
hoverboarder.
no fucking idea
Always
what
going
the
off
fuck
about how cool he
Right.
is.
Looks like he's in
We'll
trouble.
never see
I'll
that
say,
one again.
I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Alright, so we're almost done with the plan. I'm just gonna explore a little bit, get some bolts, because the thing about this game is, even if it's not for the bolts to get the weapons and shit, you need to buy story important items a lot of the time. It's pretty sad. And you know, we're waving at our other co-host over there, blowing a kiss, you know, our actual leader is, you know, flirting with him. Oh my god, this is the best slide ever, yeah! So, almost done. Alright guys, that's it for this planet. When we come back, we'll head off to the new planet.